G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super exciting, which is how to make money as a digital nomad. So if you've ever dreamed of traveling the world while earning a living, then you've come to the right place. If you don't know, Mandy and I have been traveling full time for the past 3 years now as digital nomads, and one of the biggest questions we get from everybody is how to make money online as a digital nomad. So, first of all, what exactly is a digital nomad? Well, basically, it's someone who uses technology to work remotely while exploring the globe. It's an incredible lifestyle that offers tons of freedom and flexibility, but you definitely need a solid plan to keep the income flowing. Otherwise, you may find yourself in a sticky situation where you run out of money and you need to return home unceremoniously. Number one, identify your skills. Are you a writer, a designer, a developer, or even a digital marketer? There's a huge demand for freelancers in all of these areas, and if you don't have any of these skills yet already, there's also plenty of online courses that can show you how to learn any one of these skills. The next thing you need to know about freelancing is which platforms to use to get started. So websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and even Freelancer are really great for finding clients, but make sure your profile showcases your skills and your previous work. Probably the best part about being a freelancer is that you have no boss and you can literally work anytime, anywhere, as long as there's Wi-Fi. Okay, number two, the next way to make money as a digital nomad, and this is actually a really popular one, is remote work. Now, if freelancing isn't your thing and you prefer the stability of having an employer, then you might want to consider remote work with a company. Tons of businesses are offering fully remote positions nowadays, especially since 2020. Some tips for finding remote work are using job boards to explore opportunities. So you can check out sites like We Work Remotely, remote.co, and FlexJobs, and they have a ton of opportunities. Also, you're gonna need to tailor your application when you apply. So highlight any skills or remote work experience you may have that can show you can work independently. But if you've never worked remotely, that's okay, as long as you have some experience in the relevant field. Remote work is great because it can provide more stability compared to freelancing. Plus, you might even get some sweet benefits like health insurance, and even paid leave. Also, a side note, you won't have clients chasing you down over weekends and public holidays. Next, selling online products or services. There's literally so many ways to sell online products or services. The first is e-commerce. These days, pretty much anyone can start an online store where you can sell anything from handmade goods, drop shipping products, or even digital downloads. There's also the option of consulting. So if you have expertise in a specific field, offering consulting services can be extremely lucrative. You may be an expert in, say, digital marketing, fitness coaching, or even finance, for instance. The online marketplace is absolutely massive, and there's a niche for just about everything because there's almost 8 billion people in the world. Actually, selling products online is one of the ways Mandy and I have been able to make money on the road while traveling, especially in the early days before we made even a cent off YouTube or content creation. But of course, to be able to do this, you do need an online store or website, and you've probably seen around a lot of website builders for e-commerce stores, but our recommendation is that you go with Hostinger. Now, there's a few reasons for this, but the main one is their affordability. You can get your website up and running for literally the price of a cup of coffee, and they charge 0% transaction fees, which is quite hard to come by actually, meaning unlike places like Etsy or Shopify, 100% of the profits go directly to you. So if you want to create a website, you can head to hostinger.com/Lloyd and Mandy. And as you can see, they're having a pre-Black Friday launch, so you'll have up to 79% discount already. Now, we recommend that you go with the business plan as it includes the e-commerce features needed to sell your products online. So once you're at Hostinger, go ahead and add to cart. As you can see, it's super cheap, and if you select a 12-month period or longer, You're also going to get a free domain. And also, if you use code Lloyd and Mandy, you can get an extra 10% off. Now, we're ready to build a website. Another reason why we recommend Hostinger is because they're great for beginners and advanced users to create websites efficiently without needing to know any coding whatsoever. You can literally get your website built in under 2 minutes. So, after your payment's been made, you just simply click Create a Website, select Hostinger AI Builder, follow the prompts, and answer all of the relevant questions. Next, pick the type of website you're creating. So for this example, it's going to be an online store. Add your brand name and add a description of what you're after, and then boom. You've just created your very first website using Hostinger's website builder and AI technology. It's that simple. Now you can simply drag and drop to make it fit your own taste. Some of the key AI features they offer include the image generator, logo maker, AI writer, blog generator, heat map, and AI page generator. Your site's gonna have AI generated content already, but you can easily go in and change it to your own blogs, videos, and images, which is perfect for a portfolio or blog website as well. So if you're interested in using Hostinger, make sure to use our unique link in the description down below. And don't forget to use code Lloyd and Mandy at checkout for an extra 10% off. And hurry now so you can enjoy their Black Friday sale. Next up, creating online content. So if you've got a passion for a topic, consider creating online content. This can include a few different formats of content. Number one would be blogging. Pretty much anyone can start a blog and monetize it through ads, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products. It may take some time, but as long as you're consistent, it can be a really great way to earn money as a digital nomad, especially if you enjoy writing. Number two is YouTube. Now, this is obviously one of our favorites. There's so many ways to earn a living on YouTube. You can share your travel adventures like us, create travel guides, or simply just share your expertise on any subject and earn money through both ad revenue as well as brand sponsorships. Number three is podcasting. If you're somebody who enjoys talking or interviewing people, consider starting a podcast and monetizing it through sponsorships or listener support. Just like blogging though, it may take some time, but if you enjoy it and stay committed, it can be a great business model for a digital nomad. And actually really fun. Remember though, building an audience takes time, but it can be super rewarding. So if you're gonna go down the content creation route, we suggest starting off as a side hustle until you start earning enough money to make a full-time living, which is pretty much what we did. Next is teaching and tutoring. So another awesome option is teaching or tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular area, this can be a really good way to earn money. Some of the online teaching platforms include websites like VIP Kid or Teachable that let you teach subjects you're passionate about. You can also consider language tutoring. So if you speak a language fluently, platforms like italki or Preply can connect you with students that are eager to learn other languages. This is great because it's flexible and it can fit nicely around your travel schedule. It's kind of like being a freelancer. There's also a ton of English teaching opportunities in Southeast Asian countries especially that pay surprisingly well and are a great way to meet new people, but they do require you to take a physical job rather than online. So there you have it. Whether you go down the freelancing route, you land a remote job, you start creating content, teaching, or selling products, there's obviously plenty of ways to make money as a digital nomad in 2024 and beyond. The key is though to find what aligns with your skills and passions, and with some determination and the right approach, you can turn your dream of traveling while earning money into a reality just like we have. If you found this video helpful at all, hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on living the digital nomad lifestyle. Also, drop a comment below and let us know what your ideal digital nomad job would be. And until next time, happy travels.